Hey, this is the boat doctor. What you need to do on this one here, or let the guys know or whatever. But you got transducers on both sides. You got an active 3-in-1 on that side over there. That's what's causing the V spray coming up. And in your motor, you probably already know about, is a little bit low in the water. Somehow I'd raise that up a little bit, about another 3 inches. Once you're up on top, it's kind of out of the water, but now on the takeoff and just out of plane is dragging. But you need splash guards in both of those transducers to keep that spray down. I'll show you when we get the boats running. The battery terminals should be clean. They're all corroded up on both sides. And again, I'm just out here taking notes and suggestions. And in the future, they will need to be replaced. They're getting about that age where they're going to start wearing down, and all of a sudden they're just going to die on you. So probably every 5 years you should put new batteries in. TAC works. This isn't capable of the VTS on this motor. Not that you'd use it anyway. That's variable trim sender. It goes from like 700 to 900. You probably won't use that. That's what you got the kicker for. Boat handle's really good. Nice riding. That's why people are repowering. I mean, new boats, are getting up there in price. But I mean, if you got a good hull that you like, just get yourself a new motor. You got a nice new boat, basically. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to fire it up. Hopefully, yep. But I can tell those batteries are about on their way out. And they need to be cleaned as well. It's about a 20, probably a 23, 24 footer. But if you notice, I'm trimmed down. You see how that kicker's dragging in the water? Then I'm going to give it a little bit more gas. See how, right there? But see how I ain't getting any of that water spray right there? Now I'm starting to get it on both sides. That's from the transducers that's doing that, not the motor. Sometimes if your motor's too deep, you'll get that V spray up higher than the motor. See how that kicker's still dragging? Now that spray's getting a little bit bigger. You put a couple aluminum plates and that'll get rid of that. See how it's spraying? And I'm going to trim it up. Hit it, and it's popped about right. See how it's shooting? 57. 5,700. Rides really nice. You can take your hands off. 5,800. And we're about 45. Yeah, it seems like it's running now. That's one I had out the other day, and then it cuts out. All right, boat doctor out.